Hi all, welcome back to T&D Style. We have Georgette set collection. All dark shades Georgette set. Different patterns, two types of set. One is yoke threadwork highlight set. One is golden work set. Beautiful set. This set purchase WhatsApp through First is a color shade. All Georgette set two different patterns. First is golden threadwork sequence highlight the yoke. Black base side black golden threadwork sequence yoke highlight top in back pattern black top. Dupatta is beautiful dupatta. We party use dupatta is Georgette fabric. Georgette fabric golden threadwork highlight. Dupatta two side scalp border attached. Dupatta middle part cherry flower design and the sequence work highlight. Dupatta is bottle lining attached. Sandon fabric. Price is $950 with free shipping. Next is a color shade, a wine shade. Yoke highlight golden threadwork highlight. Bottom attached. Bottom is the sandon fabric. Bottom lining attached. In a top and bottom. Dupatta two side scalp border. Dupatta middle part flower design highlight. Price is $950 with free shipping. Next is a green shade. Rare green shade. Top Georgette fabric. Top Georgette bottom lining attached. Sandon fabric. Top in yoke highlight golden threadwork sequence highlight. Bottom is sandon fabric. Bottom lining attached. Dupatta is beautiful dupatta. Beautiful dupatta. Dupatta is golden threadwork highlight dupatta and the sequence work. Dupatta is 2.5 meter. Price is $950 with free shipping. Next is a maroon shade. Top yoke highlight golden threadwork highlight. Top bottom lining attached sandon fabric. Top is 2.5 meter. Top dupatta is golden threadwork dupatta. Price is $950 with free shipping. Next is black shade. Yoke threadwork highlight. Green and rose color combination threadwork yoke. Yoke back top is 2.5 meter. Georgette fabric. Dupatta is beautiful dupatta. Dupatta is side threadwork sequence highlight. Scalp border is side. Dupatta middle part cherry flower threadwork sequence highlight. Bottom lining attached. Sandon fabric. Price is $950 with free shipping. Next is a green shade. Tea green shade. Top in yoke highlight. All setting color combination threadwork highlight. Flower design highlight. Bottom lining is sandon fabric. Dupatta is beautiful dupatta. Cherry flower design threadwork highlight. Full threadwork sequence work highlight. Dupatta side green color scalp border attached. Price is $950 with free shipping. Next is a purple shade. Top yoke highlight beautiful threadwork. Bottom lining is sandon fabric. Dupatta is threadwork sequence dupatta. Dupatta is length dupatta. Price is $950 with free shipping. Next is a maroon shade. Top is Georgette 2.5 meter top. Bottom lining attached sandon fabric. Dupatta is threadwork sequence dupatta. Price is $950 with free shipping. This is Georgette set budget buy set. This purchase WhatsApp through purchase. YouTube video like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.